with the another question. So this is question from CSR NET JRF December 2018, and question number is 91 and booklet code is again A, and this question is from simple second order ordinary differential equation. So let's start with the question. So three solution of the certain second order non-homogeneous differential equation are y1, y2 and y3. So we have three solutions for second order non-homogeneous differential equation. Again, then which of following is a general solution of the differential equation? So there are some options which are linear combination of three solution y1 and y2, y3. For example, first option is c1 plus y1 c1 plus 1 into y1 plus c2 minus c1 into y2 minus c2 into y3 is a general solution, where c1, c2 are arbitrary constant. So basically we have to identify which of following linear combination is also a solution of the differential equation. So this question basically based on the principle of superposition, which is if we have a second order differential equation y double dash p time y dash plus q time y equal to 0, assuming q equal to some function of x, that is a non-homogeneous linear differential equation of order 2 where p and q are continuous function, and if we have y1, y2, y3 and so on, some yk are any solution, maybe Li, maybe Ld, does not matter. So there are some k solution, then the yx, which is given by summation I varying from 1 to k, some constants alpha I, yi, this is also solution of equation 1. Say this is equation 1. If and only if either fx is identically 0, that is given equation is homogeneous differential equation, or summation of this alpha I equal to 1 with I varying from 1 to n, that is sum of all coefficients should be 1. So this is called principle of superposition for second order linear differential equation. In general you can define for nth order linear differential equation. So in this question we have non-homogeneous linear differential equation, and y1, y2, y3 are any three solution. So in first case, the sum of coefficient, if you will come to first option, so the sum of coefficient is c1 plus 1 coefficient of y1 plus c2 minus c1 plus minus of c2, which is equal to 1. So hence your first option definitely true. In second option, if you will find the coefficient of y1, which is c1, and coefficient of y2, so coefficient of y1 is c1 and coefficient of y2 is c2 minus c1 and coefficient of y3 is minus of c2. So this sum is equal to 0, which is not 1, implies second one is not a solution since given equation is non-homogeneous. So definitely sum of c1 plus c2 should be 1. In third option, coefficient of c1 is coefficient of y1 is c1 minus c3, coefficient of y2 is c2 minus c1 and coefficient of y3 is c3 minus c2, which is again not equal to 1. Again, if you will check the fourth option, the coefficient of y1 is again c1 plus 1, coefficient of y2 is c2 minus c1 and coefficient of y3 is c2. c2 get cancelled out, c1 get cancelled out, finally of 1. So that is in first option sum of coefficient is 1, in fourth one option sum of coefficient is again 1. So by principle of superposition, the first and fourth options are correct, remaining are incorrect. Hence answer is first and fourth.